So this is how to remove and replace a cartridge on a Bang & Olufsen turntable. This is a tangential model. It's important that you grab and hold or restrain the tone arm so you don't hurt the bearings in the back of the arm. So once you've restrained the arm, grab the sides of the cartridge, wiggle it a little bit, and it will come unplugged. To reinstall it, again, restrain the tone arm. This one goes up on a bit of an angle. Wiggle it and plug it back in, and that's all it takes. On this particular tone arm, there's a slider, a little hard to see. It's up on the middle of this tone arm. It's a clear slider, and that slider has to be set for a particular amount of tracking force. And again, you'll see that slider on the tangential table, usually on the TX2 and some other models, in the middle, and a bright light and some reading glasses are required to slide that slider back and forth to get the right amount of tracking force. Thanks for watching.